Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking 3 40mm padlocks. As you can see, the two outer ones are master padlocks, tough under fire. This is an all-weather padlock, as you can see, looks a bit chunky. This is a master number 3. It's an older lock, and this is a sterling 40mm. I've got keys for them, but can't find them, so pre-picked them and we'll re-lock them up to pick. So this is the sterling 40mm brass padlock. Start back to front. Bit of a springy keyway on that, like a lot of brass padlocks. So to the back, bit of gentle tension. There you go. Picked open. Pop that to one side. We'll pick the all-weather master. So it's locked up, just push the shackle in. Loose keyways on a lot of these. Very slight spring, but hardly anything. To the back, tension on. Goes a lot quicker. Let's just do that one again. Locked up. To the back. There you go. Picked open. Master number 3. But can't see that. Again locked up. Very sloppy keyway on that. So lighter tension. Again to the back. Light tension on. Picked. Without having a less springy keyway, the less tension is a lot better. So as you can see, that's 3 padlocks, single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.